Just getting ready to do a bit of grocery shopping, pick up some essentials. Yeah, Walmart. Since I decided to moto vlog. Put a few thousand miles on my bike since then. Learned some very valuable lessons along the way. Of course, I mean, the only way you're gonna learn is by getting out and practicing, just riding. Best thing you can do. Of course, I mean, I definitely learned a lot watching YouTube videos. No taking away from that. Watch tons and tons of videos because my first season riding, like watch a whole lot of Yami Noob, Revzilla, what's that? All the accident stuff. Yeah, I forgot. And one thing I feel like really the most important part is just keeping your wits about you, man. Just knowing exactly where each car is that's surrounding you in your vicinity. You know, I know there's a car behind me. It's not tailgating me. I'm just keeping a close eye on that. I mean, it's probably most important in multiple lane roads, because people could just switch lanes at any moment. I mean, also these kind of streets too, because somebody could just pull out the driveway. But yeah, it's definitely not as crazy dangerous as everybody always told me. Like, oh yeah, you're buying a bike, you're gonna kill yourself. What, are you crazy? Yeah, I heard that so many times, and I feel like it kept me from buying a motorcycle earlier than I did. For years, I believed that garbage. Load of shit. Bunch of fucking pussies. And in some ways, I feel like it's actually safer. I mean, I've had a lot of close calls, and I just dodge these cars, and you can just lane split in an emergency, even though it's illegal here in South Carolina. But you need to dodge a car, you go between a few cars, you can't brake fast enough. You don't want to panic and clutch the, or clench the brakes. And, you know, you gotta keep a level head, know what you're doing. I mean, what I put about 4,000 or 5,000 miles on this thing. Have yet to drop it. That's another thing everybody says. Everybody drops their bike. I don't really like that at all, and I believed it too. That was calling me. Call you back, dude. Damn, mom's calling me. No, I never dropped my bike, and I don't plan to either. I think it's just the amount of effort you're willing to put into not dropping your bike. And I love my bike, so I'm not going to be dropping it if I can help it, you know. Another weird thing I picked up that I don't see anybody else do, I've watched hundreds of videos, is what's comfortable for me is to hit the clutch with these 3 fingers here on the end. I don't know why it's comfortable for me, but that's just the way I like it. I don't know why. But on this side, I like just to use the index and middle finger, or just full grip. I just never seen anybody else do that. I wonder if there's like a... Yeah, I'm sure it's not a safety concern. Whatever. September 28th. It's nice out. It's like 55, 60. It's beautiful. From Massachusetts, and by now there'd be like a winter storm and bust out your all-wheel drive vehicles type weather. Not here, man. Keep on riding it well into the winter. I think last year we didn't have any snow. Definitely worth having a bike down here. When I got this bike, one thing that kind of annoyed me is that there's no gear indicator. Me being a complete noob, had a few calls where I'm like in this type of situation and I'm in second gear and I don't know it, and then I stall. Pretty embarrassing. Nice Mustang, dude. I can look finding parking now. Shit. Saturday at Walmart. Here we go. I should take this thing off. People steal fucking anything.